Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we are looking at an operating session that Milo and I attended at our friend Jim's N-Scale C&W themed layout. Milo said that he wanted a road job on this particular operating session, and then Jim had a couple of other guys that were a little inexperienced, so he put me at the dispatcher position this time.
Black Hills and Eastern Railroad, from the plains of the Sioux Empire to the heart of the hills.
I've never been the dispatcher on any operating layout before, but certain a number of hours are required for the NMRA AP Chief Dispatcher Certificate, so I thought I'd try my hand to get started. Dispatching on Jim's layout is fairly easy. He's got a board set up with the jobs and the towns, so you can easily see at a glance where your train crews are. The magnets on the board indicate the individual trains out there moving in either direction, east or west. Coordinating meets wasn't a real factor here, but I could see where it could be sometimes on this layout. And here are a few shots of the guys operating out on the layout. And here are a few shots of the scenery on the layout as well. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Milo, 050.